And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to rotate objects. Let us create some objects. I'll hold Control when I drag this ellipse to have a circle. It's going to be our center. And I'll create a rectangle as well, holding Control. Let me give that a different color, but I use a light color. If you click on it again with the cursor tool, you have the option to rotate it. You can also hold Control and it will rotate 15 degrees at a time and then snap. Important is this plus sign, as it determines the rotation center. So if I drag it down here and then rotate it, you can see we've got a completely different rotation center. And again, you can still hold Control. So what if I wanted to rotate the rectangle around the circle? Make sure that you've got the snapping enabled right here. And now we need to drag the plus sign to the rotation center. To have it snap the rotation center, make sure that this icon right here is active. And now we can rotate it around the circle as a center object. If you press Ctrl D and then rotate it, we can create copies and directly rotate them. So what if you wanted to rotate your object with a certain angle? Let me create a new rectangle. At first you might want to position the starting point. So select it all, then go to Object, Align and Distribute. That's selected in the drop down relative to, and I've got it put to the vertical center. Now I'll select only the rectangle, go to Object and Transform, or Shift Ctrl M. There you've got the option to rotate. Let me put the plus sign in the center of the circle to have our rotation center set, and I'll make it 90 degrees. I'll rotate it clockwise. If you apply it, we've got exactly what we wanted, and if you press Ctrl D and then apply it, you can create these copies rotated around the circle as the center. Let us go to a different angle. I'll size that down a little bit. Now I'll make that 45. Once again, make sure that rotation center is in the center of the circle. And now Ctrl D and apply. You can see that the rectangle is also rotated around itself a little bit. So if you want to have them all set to 0, you need to use some basic math and reapply the rotation around a different rotation center. So if you look at the rectangles here, we've got 90 degrees and they're all fine. But the ones at 45 degrees, we want to rotate them around themselves. As we know it's 45 degrees, we need to rotate them around 45 degrees once more. Just select one of them and then you need to reposition the plus sign. To have that snap properly, make sure that this icon is active, so snap to the center of an object. Now you can drag the plus sign and put it right in the center of the rectangle and then apply the 45 degree rotation. Again, so select it with the cursor tool, click on it again to have the rotation active, reposition the plus sign, make it snap, apply the 45 degree angle. And now they are all set to the same angle but in different positions relative to the circle. And this is how you can rotate objects in Inkscape. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.